Welcome, here I've got VERNEE M5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo view. Now let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. When we tap here, we get access to the advanced camera settings. At the first place we have GPS location info option, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. This option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location, we have to tap on this I letter button, so we get access to the details. At the last position, we can check the city where the picture was taken, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.